Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and you enjoy your summer vacations too. Now we will start with our today's topic. But before starting today's topic, I want to ask something. Here is a girl named Meena. What is the name of the girl? Meena. Meena went to market and reached at confectionery shop. Confectionery shop means from where you can buy sweets, chocolates, candies, lollipops and many more things. She wanted to buy 2 chocolates and some candies. Now tell me which important things she need to carry to buy all these things. Can anyone give me answer? Okay, now you tell me, if you will go to the market to buy anything, which important thing you have to carry with you to buy the things? What's that?
Bag.
No, not a bag. You can keep something in your pocket like chocolates and candies you can keep in your pockets. Which important thing you need to carry?
Paise. Money.
Yes, of course, money. So, today we are going to learn about money. Our chapter number 3, money. Chapter 3, money. Let's begin. We will read a poem given in our book. Money, money, money. Read the poem. Today I found 1 coin and I put it in my shoe. But when I went to take it out, I found I had 2. Later means after some time. Later when I came back to see, both of them were gone. So if you find a coin or 2, be happy for very long. I'm reading again. Today I found 1 coin and I put it in my shoe. But when I went to take it out, I found I had 2. Later, when I came back to see, both of them were gone. So, if you find a coin or 2, be happy for very long. What will you have learned this poem? First, I am explaining this poem. First, he found 1 coin and he kept it in his shoe. But when he take it out, he found it 2, means double. So, he became greedy and wanted to get more. So he put those 2 coins in his shoe again. But after some time, he found that there is nothing. Means he lost his initial coin even. So we should never be greedy. We should be happy with what we have, as contentment is happiness. Now I will show you some notes and coins of our Indian currency. Here you can see different notes. This is a note of 10 rupees. 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees note. These are issued by a Reserve Bank of India, Central Bank of India. Here you can see different notes: 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 100 rupees note, and these are some coins. ₹1 coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, and 10 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees, and 10 rupees. We will use two terms for money: paise and rupee. These are coins and these are notes. Do you know, in very earlier days, our ancestors followed barter system. What is this barter system? It is an old method of exchange. People exchange services and goods for other services or other needy items. This is called barter system. This is an old method of exchange. For example, if I have wheat and my friend has clothes, but I need clothes too and my friend needs wheat, so we will exchange our things to fulfill our needs. This is what we call barter system. It is an old method of exchange. Coins in use. Let us have a look at some commonly used coins. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee coin. Each coin has two sides. Each coin has two sides. This is called head. This is called head, and this is called tail. The amount of a coin is shown on the tail sides of the coin. So this is called tail, and this is head. As you can see in your book also, this is tail, where you can see the amount, and this is head. Now, time to do some practice. Let's try 1. Can you identify which side of the coin is shown below? Write T for tail and H for head in the boxes below. If you can see the amount of a coin, so it means it is tail. Otherwise, this is head. So if you can see the amount of a coin, so write T for tail and otherwise write H for the head. Now what we have learned today? First of all, we learned that we should never be greedy. After that, we look at the coins and some notes. Every coin has two sides, head and a tail. The amount of a coin is shown on the tail side of the coin. This is tail and this is head. Do this worksheet carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.